Hello, it's Haley, and there's an actual slight risk of severe thunderstorms today, but we'll get to that a little later. First, we want to talk about this massive earthquake in Northern California, 0.9. That's surely massive. If you were standing right there and were trying to hold on to the earthquake, surely it would feel massive in some fashion. I have no idea. Strong earthquakes today. Let's see, the 5.0s and greater. Just two 5.0s, Fiji region, and near the coast of central Peru. So there you go, and varying depths, 30.6 kilometers, 54.5 kilometers. Fantastical. High temperatures today, kind of cold. The cold front has come through, some kind of cold front. I don't know, I'm just making it up. I have no idea if there's a cold front or not. Low temperatures tonight, even colder in the negative zeros. Oh no, lots of areas in the negative zeros tonight. Here we have a map. Right, I already looked at some of the information. There's a freezing rain advisory, but otherwise there's flood watch. We've got high wind warning, gale warning apparently, and coastal flood advisory. But I looked up the freezing rain advisory. I clicked on the wrong thing, didn't I? There we go, that's what I clicked on before. Light precipitation, what did it say? I had to look up a word. Drizzle. What is the official definition of drizzle? So, Wikipedia to the rescue. I mean, I already kind of knew this, I'll just say that I'm not an idiot. I know what drizzle is or something. Anyway, officially, it's a light rain precipitation consisting of liquid water drops smaller than those of rain. Blah, 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 blah. And some of it, what did it say? That might even obliterate itself. It didn't say obliterate before it gets to the ground. Ground. So maybe undetected by observers on the ground. That's how little I can read live, is that it was in the paragraph that I was looking at, and I still did not see it. Precipitate. Yeah. Anyway, and then, is that pronounced meta? Meta code is DZ. So if you're ever staring at, this is an airport weather thing, I think. Yeah, let's just click on that. Yeah, it's a format for reporting weather information for pilots. See, I think it might be airport thing. Anyway, now you know, it's DZ. So, moving on to other areas who aren't having a mix of freezing rain area things. We've got high wind, I think. High wind watch and a wind advisor down there. We've got something. High wind warning, very windy, and then red flag warning, so it might be both windy and on fire. Bad combination. That's freeze warning, isn't it? Moving on. Freeze warning, yes. Fantastic. And high wind warning, I know. And flood watch, flood warning, something. Oh, that's right. These are like the same shade almost. So flood advisory and flood warning, like that. And that's a short-term forecast. Nope, it's a hydrologic outlook. Oh no. Meta, right. Severe thunderstorms possible right there. Snow up in there. Snow. But here we go. Slight risk of severe weather today, the day after Black Friday. Also known as the day before Cyber Monday, right? All of the American holidays apparently center on shopping. And 15% chance of severe wind in this area. No chance of hail. It's apparently a very wind-driven event, and a 5% of chance of right. 5% chance of a tornado and a 2% chance around it. What is the highest I've ever seen? I think it was 45. I think that was on a very, very significant day in Alabama. Was that April 26th, I think? It was 45%. That's the highest I've seen it. You don't see it that high that often. I don't think I've ever seen a 60%. Anywho, just to give you some context, 5% pretty big. Or maybe not. I don't know. Right. Tomorrow, 5% chance. There's your thunderstorm area in general, and here's your actual severe thunderstorm area. 5% chance as of now, and nothing, at least as of now, the day after, and then in the long term. And then we may be seeing absolutely nothing for the next 4 days of hurricane season. No tropical cyclones. Let's look at this. Nope, I don't see any of the banding together or the swirling. Some kind of indicator of a low pressure area. Something like that. Anyway, you should totally stop by WikiWix today, and if you're affected, you should totally turn on your weather radio. And get some weather radar as well, as if you got a smartphone, say, ooh, radar, look at the, oh my god, there's a tornado. Anyway, you take it easy.